Most people are doing push-ups wrong, and they don't even realize it. In fact, the more push-ups you do with bad form, the faster you're wrecking your shoulders. Sound dramatic? Stay with me, because fixing this takes less than 60 seconds. Here's what I see all the time. Knees collapsing inward, heels lifting off the floor, backs rounding like a scared cat. People rush reps, chase numbers, and wonder why their legs never grow, or why their joints hurt. Sound familiar? Here's what I see all the time. Knees collapsing inward, heels lifting off the floor, backs rounding like a scared cat. People rush reps, chase numbers, and wonder why their legs never grow, or why their joints hurt. Sound familiar? Set your feet about shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out. Now imagine you're spreading the floor apart with your feet. This activates your hips and protects your knees. Before you move, brace your core like you're about to cough. Start the squat by pushing your hips back, not by bending your knees first. Keep your chest tall and your spine neutral. Think of your torso like a solid pillar. Your knees should track over your toes, not cave inward. If they collapse, your foundation is cracking. Lower until your thighs are at least parallel, only as deep as you can control. Pause for a split second, then drive through your heels and squeeze your glutes to stand. And that myth? More reps equals better results. Wrong, perfect reps build strength. Sloppy reps build injuries. Brace your core like someone's about to poke you in the stomach. Glutes tight. Body moves as one unit. No sagging, no piking. And that myth? More reps is better. Wrong. 10 perfect push-ups beat 50 sloppy ones. Every single time. Now try this. Drop down and do 10 perfect push-ups with this form. Feel how strong and smooth it feels? That's real progress. Master the basics, and your strength will skyrocket. Keep showing up. You're building something powerful. And don't forget to subscribe for more.